Hey everybody, John here at Adventure RV, and I'll tell you what, I am stoked because oh mamacita, look at this floor plan. I can't wait to go inside. I'm gonna just show you something really quick out here. It's the 218 SE. It's a brand new floor plan. Look at this, look at this. 7283, 28 feet, bunk model, front bunks, 2 slides. You got to see this. Let's go inside. I got solar panels on the roof out here, tankless water heater, some storage in here. We'll come out and do that later. I got to show you the inside. We saw this in Indiana, and we were just psyched because this is such a cool floor plan. There's nothing out there like this. Okay, as soon as you walk in, you got a little desk right here with some drawers. I mean, you got lots of storage in this guy for a small 28-foot fifth wheel. All right. Look at this. So, recliners there, nice big fridge, pantry, front bunks, U-shaped dinette, goes all the way around, TV on a swivel, sound bar, more storage up there. Check this bunk room out. It's got a little fold-up step. Go up into the front bunks. You got some tall kids. I mean, you got like the whole length up there, plus over here. All that storage for them. Let's say they want to sit up and watch TV because you got a spot right there for a TV. This flips up and they can change this around so they could sit this way and watch the TV. You got power there for charging. You got power over here for charging. What a cool layout. I mean, just neat, right? I mean, all this storage. I'm going to show you from up here how this looks. Okay, so there's your TV. It's on a swivel, so you can turn it. And then you got all that storage. The sound bar right here, JBL audio. This will make down into a bed too, so you can lay that down. You got storage underneath there. All that storage on the side. You got coat hooks over there. Just cool. This is pontoon flooring, this floor right here. So easy to keep clean. It's nice and thick. Nothing's going to poke through it. No more dealing with carpet. You got the windows that actually open. Nice big windows for looking out. Because, I mean, hey, we're camping, right? Heading to the back bedroom and bathroom, right? All this storage. Storage in here. There's your bed. Nice big queen bed. Shelf up over the top. I mean, you just can't beat this thing. Working windows on both sides. It is 50 amp service. And then you got all that power plug-ins over here for your phone and such. And we're going to go in the bathroom. Oh, look. Storage down there. And yes, of course, you got plugs on this side too. You can see them right there. And that's USB and USB-C plugs too. And then the bathroom, foot flush porcelain toilet, tub, of course, in case you got some little babies that need a bath. Tub surround. Nice big giant skylight right there with the fan. Working medicine cabinet, right? They're not going to put the toilet paper holder in for you unless you want me to, but it's never in the right place, so they don't do that unless you ask for it. So if you want it over here, or you could leave it off if you just want to set it on the tub like we used to do. And then right here, this is for your tankless water heater, the thermostat, and of course you got a GFI plug inside here. Nice huge flip up extra counter space. I mean, this is like 24 by 24 easily. You could pull up a chair to this, use it as a desk. And then let's go back to the fridge. Look, you can open it left. You can open it to the right, whichever way you feel like it. I'm going to have a seat in this recliner, put my feet up, and just look at this guy. What a cool little layout. I am psyched for whoever decides to get this guy. Let's go outside. I'm going to do a little run through on the outside in case anybody's interested. See what's out there. And then I just noticed there's plugs here right next to me too. So you can charge your phone while you're sitting there watching TV. So heading outside. You got the flip up steps. Tankless water heater, like I said. Black tank flush is right there. heated and enclosed underbelly, auto leveling. I hope you stayed up for this, you know. I mean, it's only a 5-6 minute video, but all right. So storage here, right? And these lock into place. See, they lock right in. Click to get them off. Propane on each side. Nice big storage up in the front. When you come onto our lot, if you're looking for bunk beds, just look for that green sticker on any of these. There's your auto level right there. You just push the buttons inside there. It'll do a little dance and auto level on its own. That's so cool. More storage on the outside here. There's the other side of your auto level. You got really nice looking rims. Outside cold water spray port. Your 50 amp service right there. City water connection. Let's see if I can pop this open real quick here for you. So more storage back here. And then how easy this is. If you're filling your freshwater tank, you're going to set this one up and this one to the left. If you're normal use, you're going to do that. And if you're city water hookup, you're going to do that, and winterizing also. So that's pretty slick. And then there's your hookups for cable, satellite, and you even have a one for the outside. So you can set up 3 different TVs. And that's electric stuff that you can read it. There you go. And then we're going to swing around the back. And you got to, I believe this is good for 350 pounds and 300 pound. So you can put a bike rack on there, generator rack. It's ladder ready, backup camera ready. And look at the awning, goes just about the full length of this guy. So cool. Come get you one of these chaparrals. Thank you.